Welcome back to Internet Avail. In this video, we are going to look into how to turn the professional mode on your Facebook. You make sure you turn it on, and I'm going to show you how you can get to do that so that you have your content monetized, and of course you start making money on Facebook. First thing first, I want you to open your Facebook account. As you can see, I'm already on mine. The other thing you need to do, you need to come to this menu section right here. You need to come to this menu section, and then you need to come to this profile. But before you get to move forward, I just request you, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course each and every time I have a new episode, you always be notified. So you need to come to this profile option right here, and then we have the three buttons. You need to click those three buttons which are already right there, and then you get to scroll down here till to the point whereby you're going to see turn on professional mode. And for that case, I just need to head to that option, click there, and then you wait it for it to load. And of course you can see on the option right here, you can see turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile, so that you can grow as a creator on Facebook. You get paid if you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. See content inside right there, see more people follow you, and then of course you get to just click the turn on button, and of course automatically it's going to turn on the professional mode setup. As you can see, there are more options, and of course more capabilities that comes with professional mode, one of which is to make you in a position to start making money on Facebook. So that's for the case of turning on the professional mode. And of course, if you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Of course, I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.